Hello, I present my English project, Formation of a crystal through urine, sand, and borax. Materials: ferment urine, borax, sand, and 2 pots. Step 1. Fermentation process. We must leave the urine for 2 weeks in different containers, in plastic, glass, and tin. Step 2. Ready to use it. After 2 weeks it is ready to be used. We mix of sand with borax and urine. Step 3. Boiling process. We perform the boiling process. Step 4. Boiling result. Finish the boiling process. Refrigeration. Put in the fridge and wait. Step 5. End result. We get the crystal. Thank you.